Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can recover your Instagram account without your email and phone number. In order to recover your Instagram account without your contact information, so I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can do it. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing, you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your application, you might be able to see this kind of interface, or if you have a secondary account, then you'll be logged into your secondary account. So in order to head towards the login interface, what you'll need to do is you need to click on the profile icon, and after that you need to click on your username, and right at the bottom you'll have an option as login to existing account, and after that you'll be directed to this kind of interface. Now on this interface, if you remember your phone number, username or email and a password, you'll be able to recover your account. But in case you don't remember any of these information, then you need to click on forgot password. Since you don't remember your contact information such as email and phone number, if you're still unable to remember your username, then what you can do is you can ask who you follow on this particular Instagram to ask you for the username, and then you can type in over here. Once you type in your username, click on need more help, which will be right at the bottom. Once you do that, the Instagram will find your account if you have provided the correct information. Also, you'll be given a hint of your email address. If you can recognize this particular email, then you can just simply click on send security code, and if you don't have the access of this particular email, then click on I can't access this email or phone number, and you'll be directed to the support center. Now under it, there are a list of options, but you'll need to click on personal account with photo of me. As you click on it, once again, you need to click on I can't log in into my email or my account, and then click on request support, which will be right at the bottom. Once you do that, on the other interface, you'll be asked to submit a photo of yourself. You need to take a selfie in order to prove that this account belongs to you. While you're taking a picture, you must make sure to provide a clear picture with a recognizable face, and after that you'll be asked to provide an email through which they can contact you. Once you submit your feedback, you'll be receiving this kind of email. So now you need to go through all of these statements, and so this email might contain a recovery link, or they might state that due to security purpose you'll not be able to recover your account. So this usually happens if you have taken a blur picture of yourself. If you have received a recovery link, then all you need to do is go through all of these instructions. After you've done that, you'll receive an instruction, so you need to go through the instruction, follow the instruction in order to recover your account. So that is how you can recover your Instagram account without your contact information. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.